It is a cruiser and adds to the full cruiser motif and the cruiser experience. Welcome to MCC Just Motos. Hey guys, it's Andy from MCC Just Motos. I'm here with my Super Meteor 650. I got a Royal Enfield heel toe shifter. I'm gonna thank my good friend Dylan from Throttle Company. So he recommended put a heel toe shifter on the Super Meteor 650. It is a cruiser. Heel toe shifter is really cool. I did a install video on my Super Meteor 350. You should take a look there. It's really cool. It's like not super expensive. So again, really reach out to your local Royal Enfield dealer. See what kind of parts they have. Buy from them. Have them installed. If not, do it yourself. I'm going to give you my best how to do this video. So let's get into it and see if I can get this done and get on a heel toe shifter. I'm going to show you what it looks like without the heel toe shifter and what it feels like. Now, I haven't said why I'm doing this. Some of the benefits of a heel toe shifter is when you normally shift, you use your top of your foot to upshift and bottom part of your foot to downshift. And heel toe shifter, you don't need that. You can downshift with just your heel, and you can save the wear and tear on your feet. And so it can actually be a little bit quicker to heel toe downshift than with a regular shifter. That's why a lot of cruisers have them. Honestly, I don't even know what's in the package. There's the part number on there if you want to look. The QR code, part number. I'm not going to spell it out. But let's open it up. That's it. That's it. You can see there is the toe and the heel part, and you can see it just kind of goes like that. Let's put it right up to it. All right, so what I'm guessing is I'm gonna have to take this assembly off and then take that assembly off and put it on. So let's get into it. All right, first thing we gotta do, I notice this is all connected. I don't think I have to take this part off, the foot peg, but I gotta take these bolts off first. So let's see what size it is. Exactly 14 millimeter. Yeah, it's a 14 millimeter. There you go. There you go. A robust piece. Forward control is no joke. Now, there's one at the bottom there. There it is. Okay, let's get that one out. Yep, that was it. Just those three. Okay. You want to protect the pipe because this will fall forward. Maybe I should have done that one first. We got to get a wrench on this side. Stick my 14 on there. There we go. Yep. All right. Take this bolt off first. It's gonna be my rule. Gonna take this whole thing off. There we go. Woo! So now it looks like I gotta take this bolt off here. What we gotta do is take this nut off here, 10 millimeter. So I got a towel down so I'm not scraping anything. I think that's it. So let's see. There we go. That's gonna free the toe shifter. I think we'll just swap it out after we're done. Okay. Ta-da! Done. Now, recommend, so you don't lose it, put the nut back on there. We got a hex head. Let me go find the right size. Let's go T50. That looks T50. All right, T50 it is. Yeah, that's it. There we go. You might need to put that in a vise or something, but I was able to get it with just my hand. And again, the towel's protecting everything. Voila. Ah, looks like there's some oil on there. Grease. So we'll put some grease back on there. That's it. Oh, wow. Is there a bearing in here? Feels loose. There is. I got to punch that bearing out. This one has a bearing the other one didn't have in it. So we can let you know a 10 millimeter socket we're going to use. gonna tap out that bushing. So
see, it's coming right out.
Coming right out.
There you go.
All right, let's take a look. See, perfect. All right, so we got to use this bushing and put it in the new heel toe. Let's go do it. And we're gonna tap that bushing right in here.
I'll get this started by hand if I can.
Yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
So I shouldn't need to do that. I can just.
Yeah, I think it'll be fine. There you go. Perfect.
There you go.
Okay.
So you just got to take it nice and gentle.
Okay.
There you go.
Perfect. Here we go. Now that we got the bushing on there, which I wasn't expecting. Now you'll know that's probably the most difficult part. Let's put it right back in. Double check. Check twice. There we go. So the toe goes in front, the heel goes in back. Now I got to start threading this in. And there's already grease on here, but hey, a little bit more doesn't hurt. T50 to get it right back in. Let's tighten it in. Okay. Well, that feels pretty tight. Okay. That's in. All right, let's put this part back in. All right, it's 10 millimeter. There we go. I guess I didn't need that. Won't hurt. There we go, that feels good. All right, and now I'm just gonna bolt in reverse order the bolts. All right, so we have 3 bolts. The long one goes on the bottom. I'm gonna put that one in first because there is a little zip tie that apparently goes through the bolt. Put these one in too, just start them to 14 millimeter. Might have to do some wrenches because this is getting in the way. All right, I got another open socket or crescent wrench. There we go. Oh, wrong way. Yeah, I think that's what you're gonna have to do is just use a crescent. It is a robust piece. That's all I gotta say. Very robust. The whole shifter assembly is like a whole subframe almost. Nice and tight. All right, cool. Let's put the tools away and we'll test it out. All right, guys, I finished the install. It was really quick, maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes. My initial impression is it feels a little long for my feet. I have to move my foot back and forth a little bit much to get full heel and toe, but let me go for a ride and see what it feels like. Well, guys, that's going to do it for me. It reminded me a lot of the Meteor 350 heel toe shifter, which is really good. You do have to move it up and back a tiny bit sometimes, not too bad. It is a cruiser, and as to the full cruiser motif of this motorcycle and the cruiser experience, I think it's a really cool and pretty inexpensive mod that you maybe want to think and consider. Obviously, you'll try it yourself. It's probably easy enough where you're going to be able to do it. Or again, go to your Royal Enfield dealer and have them install. Guys, that's going to do it for me. Again, thank you for Dylan at Throttle Company. If you're anywhere in the Ohio area, go check them out. I'll put a link right here as well as in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next episode.